Today, we explore an incredible abandoned church that nature is slowly reclaiming, with no signs of vandalism. Hi, my name is Lukka. I'm an explorer, and my mission is to explore the most incredible abandoned places across the world. We're on a quest today, guys. A quest into this church here.
Looks like a castle, doesn't it?
Yeah. We're with the Japan group as well, innit? This is the Japan group, innit?
Hey, look, this is Japan, definitely.
We're in Japan now. No, guys, not in Japan. Another so many months, however many months.
Side of the road.
Yeah. Well, no, they drive on the same side.
Do they?
Yeah. And Japan, yeah.
Fuck, I could drive them, to be fair.
Yeah, you can add a driver as well, by the way. I'm just letting you know. when I hire the car, you can add a driver. Yeah. So are we going up through the gate there, like just around that gate? Jeez, overgrown city round here, guys. Huh?
I'm not getting chased by a Karen today.
Nah, mate, I'll just be telling a Karen straight up, mate. I can't be bothered with one today. I've not been out exploring for a bit, guys. Obviously, you probably know. But we're at this church here in the woods. Look at it. It looks mad.
I can tell it's been a week since I've been exploring. I liked it.
You want to stay away from that bit?
Which bit? Can you tell us which one? That there.
There, yeah, so...
This way.
Three, six, eight, 5, yeah. And then pull that down.
Cheers, mate. Come on, then.
Got the locks off. Combination guessing.
Did you really?
Yeah, this is literally like a TV show.
Yeah. We guessed the code.
Don't break it enter.
No, we don't break and enter, guys. But
just
when
guess the
once you guess the code.
Yeah, we will do.
We should start a channel. Guess the code.
Right, so guys, we're heading into this church right now. Whoa, look at the painting on the wall. And the flowers just sat there like... Look at this. What the hell? That's weird. You can see all the cobwebs just dropping off it and stuff like that. So, this is the church, guys. Oh, seems... Oh my God. Oh my God. That's mad. Just shut that door. Yeah, shut that door there. Wow. Guys, just look at this place. Have you ever seen anything like it? It's so decayed as well, guys. So guys, look at this. Like a microphone on the floor in this church. The actual microphone and the control for the speakers and stuff's here. Wow, it's just mind-blowing. Look at all the seats. The birds have took over in this place. In love and memory of the mother Florence Brooks from the children AD 1935. That is madness. They've got one of them rooms over there as well. I've seen one of them in a church before. It normally has some kind of tomb or something in it. Oh my God. Look at this.
Oh my God.
That is unreal. Like, look, these guys are keys, look. Absolutely buried. Look at the pedals down there. Nah, this place has not been trashed, definitely not, no. This place is it's just decayed completely. You can just see all the greenery running through everything. Look at the greenery, but you can see down here there's even more greenery.
Oh, that's very interesting.
What? Oh yeah, some flowers.
We went to a house the other day and there was a grave up front of the house.
Really? I've done that. Was it the artist one? So guys, it's like Jurassic Park in here. Look at this. I'm going to head round to the back now. You can see all the decor is magnificent in this place. Absolutely magnificent decor. Just got to be really careful. It's dangerous, this building. Oh my God! If you can look at the seats there, you can just see all the writing in the seats. How much time and they took with the architecture in this place. Look at this. All around each edge of the seat, it's just all decaying. Bits of light coming through the roof. Yeah, there's scaffolding. Maybe they're trying to save the place. Wow. Look at that. That is just unreal. You know, you could sit underneath it too. And you've got that above you. And look at this. Is this some kind of altar or something like that? Look at that.
This is an explorer's dream, the moss.
Look at this. All the moss, like all the greenery on everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at everything. You've got the old seat there, still there, all dusty. I will try and put some history in the video, I'm not sure, but look at that. So we've got all the decor and that's amazing. We've got some rooms in here, we've got a room here. I'm gonna go and check it out. Whoa. Just put my light on a bit for you to see a little bit more. See the roof's going through. Wow. You can see what?
Do you know all inside of Urbex? All in this room.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Jeez.
Ah, right, so that's what this is, yeah.
God,
You can see the organ there, guys.
do you know if I were it?
All the parts of it, huh?
Would you know that while this were running, I would have come in and messed with that bit.
Yeah. Look at that. This is all the pegs, probably for like vicars, stuff like that. People who come to the church. Got some spare little parts in here and stuff like that, but when you walk out into this church, it is mind-blowing how untouched it is, and it's just decayed. There's not a lot of people been here. There has been people who've been here, but well, still bits of glass that are intact. Still 2. I love these little bits of decor like that. It's just made out of stone, it's mad. You see, they've tried putting some scaffolding up here as well, haven't they? They're holding that bit of the roof up there. Literally that joist getting hauled up. Still a book on the side too. But guys, you can just see the lights up there, look. Getting buried in the overgrowth. There's so much overgrowth going on in this place. And the architecture is unreal. Dead Gothic. Proper old church. It's a shame it's like this. But at the same time, it's not been vandalised, and that's a good thing. So yeah guys, it's mind blowing in here. You can just see behind me all the light coming through there. I'm not one for churches guys, and you know that, but this place is good. We've got the drone out.
Look at that one.
Me against the drone, is it? I'm just gonna run at it now. All you can hear is animals outside and the road running past this place, and it's just been left for a long time. I don't know how long it's been left for, but it's been left for a real long time, guys. That much that obviously the overgrowth started to take over in this place, and things have started to fall over and stuff like that, but no vandalism. Got some mushrooms growing there. You can just see all the cobwebs and stuff on it. This place is madness, it really is. Like a little altar thing. I don't know what it is. I've like holy water or whatever in it. And you've got this, which is the organ. Completely covered. What's this, like a little notice board or something? See the works of the organ there on the back of it. Oh, is this where they used to stand on here? Don't know if it's standable now, like, but used to stand on here. You can literally just see all that organ, it's smashed up. All the keys have all just fallen to bits. Wow, look at that. Keys are all destroyed. Attach the camera to a pigeon, that's how we took the picture. We'd never got the drone out in here, did we? It's my son's got one for the bath. You put it on the side of the bath, it's a basketball net. You just...
You know what, I might get one, sir.
Yeah. But yeah guys, we're off out of this place now because it's obviously just these few rooms and stuff, but yeah. Really nice location, to be fair. Not a church man, but today I've been a church man, haven't I? So it's warm out here, isn't it? Really warm, isn't it?
Chinese. Any weather, Chinese.
Yep, so that was a church. Yeah. Really big. Could we not have got into the bell? I couldn't really see nothing. Escaping the jungle. Alright, mate. Damn, it's a nice day. Right, so guys, that was a little bit of a vlog, really. Sort of a vlog, wasn't it? It was abandoned. But it wasn't like a full episode like we normally do, so it was just like a little bit of a vlog. But if you joined in, guys, thank you for watching. If you did like it, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, guys, next time you see bangers, banger bangers, will be Japan, won't it?